Um, Chapter 13, subject Dawn of Divine Wisdom. Justice is mercy of God. The sport, Leela of Brahman, is his very nature. O deluded man, kill not animals, but kill the animal in you, the ego. Imagination, emotion, and evil company fan the flame of cravings. The impure mind is your enemy, for it resists the vision of God. Return good immediately for evil, and punish the evildoer with shame. The cause of worry is fear, fear of losing a job, fear of getting diseases, fear of death, etc. Cause worry. Fear not death. Death is birth into a new life. A Jiva Mukta is not reborn. Life is one. Life is a mystery. This world is a vast school of experience. Learn and gain. Right knowledge of truth lead you to happiness and liberation. Worship of self is meditation on Supreme Atman. He who repeats the name of a Lord renews his strength, vigor, and energy. Slay Agnana, ignorance. Wear the laws of Brahma Gnana and come out victorious. This is the triumph of Vedantic hero. The goal of life is attainment of absolute freedom from the bondage of matter. Peace will come with love and understanding. Ignorance is the root of karma. Dharma is the root of religion. Withdraw, be still, enter the silence. You will know, my child. Study, inquire, have a one pointed study, pure. Now meditate and attain self realization. Here is the one rule of spiritual life: serve, love, and meditate. Sow the seed of faith in your heart. Water it with the water of love. Fence it with the repetition of Lord's name. You will reap a rich harvest of divine grace. Om